Hmm. Creeper in a cage, creeper in a cage. I'm putting a creeper in a cage. Creeper in a cage, creeper in a cage. Oh, darn it. Options. Back here. Yay! I win. Oh, don't look at me. Don't look at me. What you looking at, bro? Huh? Huh, bro? Huh? Don't give me that look. I can actually fly now. Haha, you're locked in a cage. Okay, today what I am building car. A big car. Black stained clay. Now. Hello, stupid slime. Oh my god, don't hurt me. Screw off. Run. Oh. A little bit too big. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to make a car. I will make it possible. Okay, never mind. I'm not building the car. I will be building a explosive melon. Explosive melon! This melon is gonna be awesome. Can't wait to see it explode. Gonna get some redstone. Gonna get no. Run! Go! Built this trailer on my own. I'm gonna make it into a mansion. Just kidding. I'm gonna build a mansion. Just kidding. I'm staying in the trailer. I'm going to sleep. I'm staying asleep. Oh, I'm awake. I'm wide awake. Woo! Woo! man. Get away from the house, bro. What's up, bro? You wanna fight, bro? That's right, you can't. Oh, it's gonna work. Yes! Explosive melon. Pop goes the weasel. Oh my god. No, my trailer! My trailer, no! What about it? Oh. Oh, dang it. Oh, I did not think this through. Oh no. Did anybody else hear that? That's creepy. Paige! I am making a video! Yeah.
I'm creating sound effects.
Oh god. Paige. I'm being serious. You better stop.
Why?
'Cause.
You need background music.
Yeah, I just heard a creepy wind on my game. You know this is going on YouTube, right?
Big boss. Big butts.
Sorry.
Big boss.
Big butts. Yeah. Might take a little bit of repairing, but I'm gonna do it. Oh my gosh. Guys, let's see how a trailer stands up to TNT. Probably gonna epically fail. Trailer, can I trust you? Yes, I can. Okay, I can't see this. You guys want to see it though? Oh my gosh, no! 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 I blew my house. Ah! I blew my house up. No! All the stuff that was in the chest! Ah! Oh, the glowstone! Oh, the dirt! Ah! I did this for you. Now I'm gonna rebuild my house. All because of you guys. Just kidding. I'm gonna build a new house anyway. Oh my gosh. It's not because of you guys. You guys are awesome. Sebastian, the way you wash it off.
Hey boss. Big butts.
I can swing my sword, my diamond sword, you love my sword. So much lag. Whee! Off to Neverland. Oh my gosh, oh my god. Oh, no, don't land in the fence. Boing. Slimes. Oh, darn it, my cannon. I want to show you guys how this works. Okay, ready? Okay, watch. ready to see what it is. Arrows! Arrows! So many arrows! Cool, ain't it? But I'm afraid that it has to go. Oh crap, no! I didn't think that through! Oh. Oh! Okay. Let's explode my room. The room that I used to live. Just remember, this is for you! For you guys! Oh. Wanna see what my room looks like now? Oh no, my money. My moolah. Oh no, all my moolah. It's gone. Oh no, my moolah. No, my moolah. I can't leave any of my moolah behind. My moolah. My moolah. I did that for you guys. Because you're my bros. Oh my god, there's you. Oh wow, let's see where this door leads to. Ah, it's empty! Oh, slimes. Okay, you can have it. Bye, house. I'm literally crying right now. Whee! Off to Neverland. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Just kidding, there's no Wizard of Oz on here. I will kill you all. You know what? Why live here? I'm moving to the nether. I'm moving to the nether. I'm moving to the nether. Oh my god! So much moolah! Oh, you know what I'm talking about, boy. Oh, I'm moving to the nether. I'm moving to the. I'm moving to the nether. You've got to know. Okay, sorry guys, I suck at singing. Well, I have dirt. Dirt. Sword. Chest. Speeder eye. Got arrows. Ender pearl. String. Moolah. Ultimate sword. Ultimate axe. Ultimate diamond pickaxe. Bow! Die! Yep. I'm done. I'm done. Well. I'll see you guys. Bye.